pepperoni pizza. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got some tomato sauce for the base of the flatbread of the pizza. I've got some cheddar cheese, and I've got some pepperoni. The oven's turned on to around 200 degrees Celsius, and I've got my my base here. So I've just made some flatbreads. They're already made up, so it's just a matter of building the pizza, the flatbread pizza. So base is on there. Tomato sauce, just a little bit of tomato sauce on the base. It's quite a thin, it's a thin flatbread, so you got that really thin, crispy, thin crust style pizza. That's got a nice bit of tomato sauce on there. So spread it all around, lovely. Then I'm going to do some cheese, a bit of cheddar cheese on there. So there's the cheese. These are pepperoni slices, little round ones. On there. Some more cheese. I'm going to do a double layer of pepperoni. Okay. So it's going to all melt together and ooh. Okay, and then another one on the top. So. And then I'm going to do that one. And a bit more cheese. Okay. So that's my pepperoni pizza built. Oven's on. We're going to get it in the oven. It'll take about 5 minutes in a nice hot oven. Have a look and we'll see where we are. So pepperoni pizza, got it ready to go in the oven. The oven's nice and hot now. Got it on to about 200 degrees Celsius. Put it in the oven. We'll just get it all melted and nice and hot. Oh, God. Nearly flipped it on the floor. It was close. Okay, so the pizza's been in there for my flatbread's been in there for about 5 minutes or so. Just gonna have a look, take it out, and we'll have a look. Okay, now look at that. Grease proof wasn't the best, slightly darkened that. However, the flatbread is looking pretty tasty. Let's get it off there. There we go. Can you see that? Just look at these. Some of the cheese is a bit too crispy, so we'll take them bits off. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Okay. Let's just stick it on a plate. Oh, got wobbles. We got wobbles. It's just too close there, isn't it? Okay. I'll have to cut that out. Wobbling too much. Wobbling all over the place there. Okay, so just have a look at that. On a plate like so. So there is my pepperoni flatbread. Thank you. We'll just give it a cut now. Just gonna have a look, see what it's like when it's cut. Okay, that's in half. It's looking pretty. It's a nice little snack, isn't it? Look at that. Pepperoni snack. Pepperoni flatbread snack. They are really tasty. It's just so lovely. Oh, this is a bit messy though. There we go. Pepperoni, tomato, cheese, snacks. Lovely.